The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And I have a video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I leave this video with you, I'm going to explain a little bit to you what this video is about. Alright? Now, because of an incident that happened where it is said that 3 persons had been shot and killed by the police within Trinidad and Tobago, violent protests had happened within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. Alright? Now, according to reports that I saw on the 30th of June 2020 about protests within Trinidad and Tobago, it is said that more than 70 persons had been arrested by law enforcers within Trinidad and Tobago, and it is said that 3 persons had been shot. Now, according to reports, it is said that one of those 3 persons had died, and it is said that the person who had died is said to be a female, and allegedly it is said that the female is pregnant. According to reports, it is said that the female reportedly had been shot by the police, and according to reports, it is said that the female had been pronounced dead at a hospital within Trinidad and Tobago. Alright? Now, please bear in mind, I'm only explaining to you according to how I understand as to what had been said in reports out there about these incidents. Alright? This video that I'm going to present to you, according to what had been said about it on social media, is that this video shows the mother of the female who had been shot and killed during a protest within Trinidad and Tobago. Alright? And in this video, you're going to see this person talking about the female who had died and talk about other things as well. Alright? And you're going to hear someone in the background of the video asking her questions. Alright? Now, for those who might not like to hear about incidents where persons had been shot and killed, the following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Yazid.
Good day again, gentlemen. The news day, we're live here at 5th Street in Beetham Gardens with the mother of Onella Graves. What's your name, ma'am? Annette Graves. Alright, now we understand that Onella passed away after she was allegedly shot by police in an incident this morning. I know you weren't there, you were telling me before, you weren't at the scene. So could you tell us a little bit more about Onella, the type of person she was?
Well, she is very friendly. She always likes to make joke with everybody. She has a lot of friends. She like, she likes to party and different things. And also cry out to God and give God the praise and the thanks that we all does. Because without God, we are nothing.
True.
So we put God in front of everything. And it had fellas were straying rubbage in the road on the highway. So I leave my gate and I walk out of the side behind my gate. And other people just coming up there too. And while you're watching the police or the fellas I'm trying anything and then in the road. And then I saw my daughter pass. And I tell her, I say, Onella, where you going? She said, Mommy, I'm videotaping what them fellas and them doing. I said, how far you reaching? She said, reaching right there.
Right there was what street?
9th Street.
9th Street.
Alright, she reached up to 9th Street. And while she maybe was videotaping, the police pull out the firearm again and start to shoot wide. So she got 1 bullet.
Now there's talk that Onella was pregnant. That is true?
I didn't know about that, but the doctor said. The doctor confirmed, tell my husband she was also pregnant.
Did they say how far along she was?
No, she barely was big, she never ran. And I always see she pregnant, they stuck aside. And I asked her one day, whenever you're pregnant, she said, no, I'm going to get her back. Because you know when she said she recognized her mother, they're real bad. Because we don't have 5 already, look at the time we living in, and I know time son, and so she know I would be. So that was it. And if a little boy, it's 5 years, run down the road and tell me, Miss Anna, Odella get you. Miss Anna get shoot what? Because I hear the bullets and then when I start I hear the bullets. So everybody said like the police shooting up in the air. In knowing
Is
shooting at people. You understand? So when I just saw the crowd come down to me and say, Miss Anna, you know, Odella get shot and she dead. I said, Odella dead. Then my husband, my daughter, my 2 sons went to the hospital. She didn't die at the time. And when the nurse asked the police guy, the same guy who shot her, what happened to her, he turned and said she fall down. She said, no, I didn't fall down, you shoot me. And that was the last word.
now there's talk that she was shot not by police but by residents who were supposedly shooting at the police.
No residents would be shooting. I could tell you that. I wouldn't lie with them kind of thing. No, it didn't have no shooting. It had other police all here. They could tell you the same thing if they don't want to lie for the colleagues. No beaten people who wasn't shooting.
No beaten people wasn't shooting. My sister was just far apart.
Man, he shoot her. He shoot. You understand? And she get 1 bullet.
Anybody else pick up in that shooting as far as you know? You wanna go on camera?
Nah, I don't want no camera, but I had a person which is my brother pick up in the box.
Where's your brother's name? That is Harry?
Yeah, Harry.
I saw a video on social media.
Yeah, Harry McIntosh, that's his name.
Where also at 9th Street?
Yeah, up right up there too.
He was outside with Onella at the time?
Yeah.
How is he doing though?
Well, I know. I went to see him, but I went to put Nala in the hospital.
No.
This is the second shooting of police in my 2 children. 2013, in 2013, police shot my son with students in the hand with bareback Christopher Graves. Right out there. And all the same, it ongoing. If you send a letter to the station, when I go to the station, the police saying it ongoing. Like they want to cover up everything. But I want to let them know, all police who rogue and doing, or not all police bad, but all police, the majority who doing the rogue in this, one day, it either will turn back on them or the family. Because what they do unto others, it does do back onto you. You understand? If they get a job to do the job in the right and proper way, do it in the right way. Don't do something when you do so you're saying people shooting at you and when you know you come to kill them. Don't come and say you hold them with a gun and you ain't find a gun or you placing gun and then all them can. It's a time for everything, and I know my judge is that man upstairs, Jesus. He knows and sees all things. You understand? I wouldn't say every police bad, but there is somewhere rugged way Gary Griffin ain't know what they're doing at all. But we outside here know what they does do. You understand?
Yeah. No, in which case I don't wanna, this question doesn't, the intention is not to cause any harm with this question, but a lot of people are asking, why are people protesting?
I don't know. Because what I was asking the same question, because they say the protesters start from Nova, with 3 guys get killed, and it was junkies, right? And then I wake up and I see, right from outside, I see thing burning there. I don't know if through that everybody protested. I don't know. I can't say where I am.
And what would you say to people who would come in, because I would expect it to come, that she should have been home, not outside there videotaping?
But she's a big woman. We could walk anywhere we want because we know we have nothing with nobody. And the police here is to protect and to serve, not to kill all the time. They have children, they have mother and father, they have brother and sister. They will like a civilian like me kill any one of them? No, they won't do that. I figure sometime if a police, I will give you, he will do it. If a civilian pointing a gun at a police, which means he aiming to kill him. But if he not no gun or nothing and he just talking, why kill him? Why shoot him? All of we is flesh, all of we is one body. We all black. It's a black matters, but it ain't look like black matters anymore. You understand? Come on, man, it's time for this stupidness to stop. The Gary Griffith had to check out the policemen and them, and you know there is rugged police. And police picking up for police and lying for police. You understand? But you see me, I ain't fighting fire with fire. I cry out to my God because I know my God is real and he is true, and I go get me justice.
And that's the next question I'm going to ask. What next for the family, or your plan to seek justice for Onella?
Well, it have what do you call it? Police complaint. And I'm going to the police complaint, and I will start from there. Because you know when you go in the station, they go want to tell you Tom, Dick is Harry. I mean, no Tom, Dick is Harry. It's a life well way on. Nobody can bring back a life, and no money can bring back no life. But justice must be done for the rugged policemen and them in this place here.
No, this won't be the first time you're going through this. You said that son some years ago, 2013, was killed. Between then and now, do you feel as though you received any justice?
I ain't get no justice yet.
And do you think you'll get justice this time around?
If I ain't get justice, I know God will give me the justice because he ain't sleeping. Because you see, Prez is the only thing. I had to cry out to God because God is my maker. And he tell me bring everything to he and pray. You understand? Leave judgment for him, and he will judge all things. So when they feel they get away, they ain't get away. Because I have to answer that man they call Jesus.
Now, my last question for you before we turn off the live. The first set of people who were killed in Mova, they were protests. Do you want continuing protests for the death of your daughter?
Protests can bring back my daughter. You understand? Justice, I want to know what they're doing with the police who shoot my daughter or kill my daughter. You understand? That is all because police is just shooting wild like Wild West. And they don't speak the truth. Some of them, I ain't saying all, some. Want to get very clear, some of them are rugged, some of them know they are rugged police in the police force. They're lying on people sometimes. And if I've done, I say it again, I will say it again. If a civilian point a gun at a police, you have a right to do what you have to do. But when people just stand up and see people throwing rubbish on the highway, why you have to shoot? Tell me that. And it has so much police all on the highway. Why you have to shoot? You understand?
Yeah.
But I know one day we didn't come to Turnstone, and I know one day we have to leave, but not in this matter. She have 5 children.
What's the ages of the children?
She have 114, 110, 2, 1 a year, 110. I can say the one.
Yeah, 10, 14.
110, 14, 2, 1, and how old? Jeremy's 2. Jeremy's Mariah is 1. Jeremy is 2. Jeremiah is 10. Gabriel is 14. And who's the next one? Angel. She is about 6 years.
Okay.
See, my brain's kind of.
That's alright. We understand. Yeah. Again, this is the mother of Onella Graves. Ms. Graves was reportedly shot and killed by police this morning during protests for the lives of 3 men killed in Mova. Police officers are saying that it was residents who fired the shot that killed Onella. And as you can hear, residents are not agreeing with that statement.
No respect for hamburger.
I don't know what the protest is about. She was not protesting.
She was at the side.
She was flipping. Like how you threatened me, she was flipping how the garbage straight in the road. And you take out your gun and just shoot. So how do you suppose this thing shoot? And there was police there with him too. How them in shoot?
I know red criminals.
But God ain't sleeping. That is all I have to say.
And that policeman.
Okay, I'm ending my live now. Again, this was the mother of Onella Graves, who was shot and killed earlier on today on 9th Street,
Yeah, man.
Beetham Gardens. She died at hospital, at the Port of Spain General Hospital.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.